So y'all want to know a great feature of a Tesla, especially for like a new driver? So my daughter's got a license, and Teslas are the safest car on the planet. They really are. And everything you see and the stories you see, they're great. And the most American-made car too, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, this is what you do. If you have a new driver, you can actually set the car to go slow. It won't accelerate beyond a certain acceleration amount. It won't go over a certain speed. So check this out. So you come on here, your Tesla, right? And you have to be in park to do this. You hit your little car button down here, pull up your menu. You're going to go down here to safety, and you're going to come down here to parental controls, and you're going to turn it on. And right here you can set the speed, reduce acceleration set to chill, which it really chills it down. Mine knows how to drive as far as accelerating because she's driven all kinds of these high-end cars and stuff like my Lamborghini and things like that, and all the R8s and GTRs. So we'll turn that one off. That way she's got normal acceleration. But then safety features are still there, and it sends you a curfew notification. She drives from a certain time. And then there's a speed limit set because the maximum speed limit around here, because she can be driving on the interstate, maximum speed limit around here is 55. And you hit confirm, and it pulls up a PIN number, so only you know the PIN number. So check this out. I'm gonna type it in, and boom, it's on. Now she can't do anything. She can't turn it off without the PIN number, so she can only go 55. She's got standard acceleration. I didn't dumb that down, and that's that. This is the best freaking car. Like, they're so techy, and that's just awesome. You can do that. So for a new driver, and they're so safe, you can see everything in the app where they're at all times. If they don't share their location with you, guess what? You got it on the app. So it's awesome. Great car, especially for a first-time driver. And you can get the payments on some of these cars for like $200-something a month on a lease with no money down. Great. I have some links for some discounts for you guys too. See you. Bye.